Hi, I'm Phil McCaffrey, and this is a lesson on standardized test prep for Venn diagrams. And a Venn diagram, I just read about this dude. He was pretty amazing, smart guy who put together this system of studying data and interlocking sets. But a Venn diagram basically says that there are two sets of data, and the first set we're going to call is set X, and then the second set we're just going to call Y. And they're typically things like cats and dogs. There are 150 people in a town, and 130 of them have dogs, and 120 of them have cats. How many people have both dogs and cats? So what this one here is, if dogs are represented by the symbol X, this one over here is X only. And in the center is both. On the far right is Y only, and these are the numbers. So over here we just have cats only, and over here we have dogs only. But in the center we have both dogs and cats. There's also a total number of people. So the things that they could ask for is, sometimes I write X total and Y total because I've got a couple of different variables. So let's take a look at it. Let's go back. Oh geez, I even forgot the numbers. I said 250 people in the town. There's 250 people in a town. And the total number of people have cats. Some of them have a dog. Some of them have a cat. Some of them have a dog and a cat. So if we say 180 people have a dog, and 170 people have a cat. Well, the thing is, if you add these two people together, you'll see that there are people with both, because 180 plus 170 is 350, which is a heck of a lot more than our 250 given as the total population of our little town. So some people have to have both. And how do I figure that out? Well, the total number of dog owners is equal to the dog owners that only have dogs and the owners that have both. The total number of cat owners is equal to the cat owners that only have a cat and those who have both. What the 250 total people are equal to is the number in the set right here. Dogs only plus both and cats only. This combination is going to equal 250. So it's a system of equations. That's what we're really working on here. So X only plus both plus Y only is equal to 250. Well, they gave me 180 and 170. So how am I going to find this out? Actually pretty simple. I know that 180 is equal to X only plus both. And I know that 170 is equal to Y only plus both. And I know that X only plus both plus Y only is equal to 250. Well, what I need to do is substitute my values in. So cats are right here. Look at that. So 170 is my cats. Dogs only plus 170 equal 250. So if I subtracted 170 off of 250, I would get that the number of dog owners only, the erase make some space over here. The number of dog owners only is 250 minus 170, which we know is 80. So I have 80 people only that own dogs, which means that in my both category, I'm going to have 100. $80 and 100 is 180. And in my Y only category, make a little more room here, I'm just going to have 70, because 100 subtracted from 170 is 70, and 80 plus 100 plus 70 is my 250. So that's Venn diagrams number 1. If we do it really, really quickly, look how nice this turns out. Let me get rid of that and show you a much faster way given the information that they gave us. If they say there's 180 dog owners and 170 cat owners and 250 total people, I can say 180 plus 170 minus both equals 250. 350 minus both is equal to 250. Why don't I subtract 250 from both sides? And I get I get 100 minus b equals 0. That means b must equal 100. Yeah, a little bit faster than the way I just did it. 180 minus 100 is 80. 170 minus 100 is 70. And that's Venn diagrams lesson number 1. I'm Phil McCaffrey. Happy learning.